This is 8758 acres, 87.58 acres. Okay. Might be this. I think this will be fairly easy to find, even if they don't have a map. It's a cool property. Let's get some. Let's get some. Okay, so there's no good maps. Okay, next thing we can look for is this. So go on. Oh no, just open this up. The map. There we go. Look at that. They have it drawn out there. So let's go satellite. Ah, look at that. Dry Bone Road. Is that it right in there? So what they have drawn out is not 88 acres whatsoever. So we're going to have to kind of just guess at it. And there are some good property boundaries in here, but we do know where the house is located. So that's most likely going to be somewhat near the center of the property. We've got a neighbor's property there. We've got some lines that might be carved in here. So let's just take, sometimes I just take a wild guess and just, oops, not there. And then just see what something approximates to. Yeah. So it could be something like that. Oops. I bet it is. I mean, for me, it would be good enough to, because that would make sense the way that this is divided up. You could get a little bit of difference in the difference with this property here, but this is probably at one point a quarter section of land and was subdivided into even what it is now. But let's just Ash Flat. Is it 88 acres or is it? Yeah, this is going to be close. Maybe go up there. Yeah, I bet you that's what it is. But all it takes is, you know, if I wanted to go further, this is good enough for me to assess it. I'll go further if I really think this is an A property, and then I'll reach out to the realtor, or I'll look up the county. I'll search Ash Flat, Arkansas County. And then you can go into the county district mapped, the zoning map, and you could find the actual property lines. But just for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with this. Ash Flat, 87 acres. And then folder, new, paste. Drag that in there, and then that in there, and then this guy goes down here. Boom, we're cranking through.